i35equipment.com. Today we're in the JCB 131X LC hydraulic track excavator. We're going to be showing you how to utilize your hydraulic quick attach system built by Tag under the Dromone name. This one's built in by the factory. It's going to be pretty basic, but we're going to show you how to use it. Always practice common sense and safety. Recommend doing this away from everyone so there's no one to have the bucket fall on and get hurt. All right, so first thing you're going to do is have your machine running, have your hydraulic lock off, that way you can operate. Going to go into the safety cradle position, which is right about here. Okay, first thing we're going to do, or next thing we're going to do, select the hydraulic quick attach system. Hit that button, just going to say quick attach activate. You're going to hit the second button up here to acknowledge. So you got to, it times out, so you got to go 1 and then 2. Now it's going to say crowd the bucket, which is just curling the bucket. It's going to allow that overflow to operate the hydraulic quick attach system. Now we're going to push the stick out and uncurl. Looks like our front pin is perfectly loosened and ready to go. All right, now that that is off, we're going to bring it up here and try to show it to you so you can actually see what's happening. And that is that hydraulic cylinder on the back either extends or retracts to loosen or go tight against the pin. So we're going to hit this button right here to latch it back down. You can see that's coming down nice and smooth. And that is actually how it's held tight to hold your bucket in place. All right, now that nothing's on here, we're going to show you it releasing. Again, we're just using 1 and 2 for these two buttons. We're selecting, and then we're going to curl the bucket. You see that removes. Bear with me for 1 second. Doing this one-handed and it's a little tricky. Gonna curl it back up to the safety curl position. Always consult your operator's manual. Practice safety. Do this out where no one's around. That way, if it does happen to fall, don't accidentally fall on somebody. Click that button right there to, and it'll say quick hitch locking. Curl your bucket, or crowd it as they say. And that'll extend the hydraulic cylinder against your rear or bottom pin. And then you can uncurl all the way to verify it's completely locked. It would have fallen off by now if it wasn't completely locked. We're going to hop out of the machine and show you what it looks like outside. Thanks for watching. Here we are outside the machine. I'll give you an up-close view of what and how this works. You see that front pin is scooped, and this latch just latches on to make sure it doesn't fall out. But the back is where your hydraulic cylinder extends or retracts to release it. And it's just going to go to this back or bottom pin and push in all the way until it can't anymore, or retract and release to where it releases your bucket. Hope that's beneficial to you. Always consult your operator's manual. Practice safety and use common sense. Check out our website if you're in the market for used equipment at i35equipment.com. Appreciate you watching.